still use red color. You know, why we still use red color? But you know, red color, when we understood about colors, every color is connected with an emotion.
Yeah.
So red is not a good emotion.
Yeah.
Because when you circle with red color,
Actually,
so
they
it's
disheartened
them.
It is wrong. It is wrong.
They disheartened them.
This is very goes with the smooth. It's a very smooth color. So this is also a thing where you know color how to be
And
connect colors.
acceptance of failure. I think that's a very important
Yes.
They need to rate themselves. They know, I'm doing well, I'm doing better.
And acceptance of failure as well. Like you are not going to be good at something in 10 seconds. Like this is the Instagram generation and you learn nothing in 10
Yes.
seconds.
Correct.
So if a young one comes to me and tells me, oh, I know this because you did some research on Instagram. No, you don't know. So I think acceptance of failure early on is very important. The concept that it takes stages and years
reflection is
before
very
you
strong.
become an expert in anything. I think that's a very important value that the school is inculcating.
Three-way conference that you guys have, it actually has encouraged them to be very self-critical and self-reflective. Like, it's very
I
Exactly.
want you please mention this three-way conference.
yeah, because the
Three-way
I
conference.
wish the first time I sat
Ideas.
in a three-way conference,
You know those things.
I had no role. Like, you should now sit.
She was doing my husband.
Yeah, they give her a sheet
By
and then, okay, this is your maths. Like, yeah, mama, I think 3 categories are there.
yes.
I'm learning.
And she was like, I'm learning. Like, I'm not Excel. She was like, huh.
She herself is saying.
And then English, I am very good English.
Should I outshine in everything?
IB had 8 key concepts, including reflection as one of the key concepts. But then IB in 2018 they had review it, and now 7 key concepts are there. Reason being that reflection should not be a key concept; it should be involved everywhere. So self-reflection, peer reflection is very very important from early
I want
stage.
some adults to have it in my life.
Really.
Confidence as a girl,
Oh my God.
especially, and as a woman of the future, I want my daughter to say, I'm good at it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the
Confident.
Yeah.
everything.
You know, Shania.
This leadership quality comes shining.
Oh my god.
Yes, which I think I'm very good.
Sucks.
All over the things. Mama, I am not good at doing before and after, I know. Like before and after, I'm
Yes,
getting fuddled,
yeah.
I know. But Hindi, I excel. So she was quite honest while
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
doing
They analyze themselves.
Exactly.
Academic integrity, and we are starting this from very early.
And she has developed this thing na, that I can grade my
Yeah. They understand themselves.
Exactly.
You know,
They understand
see,
themselves.
this shoot which we have sent, first we all teachers sat together and we said, "Ki this team, we will do this. They are good at this. They are good at that." So when Rahman's name came, so we said, Archana ma'am said, she's very good with yoga.
Exactly.
So we exclusively shoot. We are shooting with Rahman.
Okay.
So that is sent. We'll show you the entire.
I said this to Ashna ma'am. What did she do?
She did yoga.
The chakrasan she did.
Pura
right?
aisa.
Haan.
Yes.
She,
And on
she said
ground.
I did chakrasan. But now,
No, not name. But hello everyone. I am Rahmat Khatri.
I'm a yoga
and I'm
coach.
very
Yeah.
fond of doing yoga. And she did yoga.
Yes.
I'm really curious to see the
Yeah, we'll
videos
show
and
you.
Today or tomorrow we are definitely going.
Yeah, we'll mail and we'll attach that.
And this is a very good thing. In IB, they all are teaching individually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
With
yes.
the class. This
Yes.
is a very good
Yes.
thing. I
I mean, the exams are
every-
taken like
individually also.
Individually.
Yeah.
Whatever
This is a
their
very good thing.
Their growth is being
Yes,
taken
yes,
in the account.
Reached onto the progress.
So, I mean,
I
child.
think that this is a requirement of like the curriculum is planned in such a way.
Yes.
IB curriculum is amazing.
Yes.
Who are we? Who are we?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
Really?
It's
All
really
based learning, emotionally main thing.
Yes. Rather than going on the.
I was very helpful in the fact that I want my child to have a very good EQ. IQ, I know the level of concept.
Yeah.
Pallavi ma'am, before you came, they were asking me what kind of questions you'll ask and all. So she said, I'll always vouch for Ivy. I'll say do I said, please, you mentioned this statement.
Please spend
Yeah. We all can,
See, I feel like it's very sad. We're still stuck on the key percentage wala thing.
Yes,
correct.
It's sad.
agree.
Like imagine if there was a class when I was growing up, and because I used to be very, topper of kid. No. Eventually, then you go, you fluctuate. And then maths entered my life, and I used to suck at maths. I used to suck at maths. अभी नहीं हो रहा है यार. मेरे पंडित ने बोला मत कराओ maths. Yeah. So imagine if somebody would have said at the time कि जो हो रहा है वो कर.
Exactly.
Don't compare with stopper child.
Correct.
And
What?
eventually it happens. Sooner or later we start comparing our
4
kids.
years.
Correct.
Five years.
Correct.
And one
Yes,
year
yes,
graduation.
The comparison.
Even I chose IB for Agar because of this, because I was an average student. So it was very
Sometimes humiliating.
Yeah. I have faced, so I didn't want Agar to do anything like that. So
And kids are happy what they are doing actually.
Correct. I feel for my graduation, undergraduation, मैंने MBA करा marketing में. If somebody would have told me कि no, to explore creativity, maybe
Yeah.
I would have.
Yeah.
to tell you.
But my parents understand my parents like हम support नहीं करेंगे कमाओ because at that time freelancing wasn't that was the problem.
It's a risky
9
job.
years to you, right?
Yeah.
Even we see 9 years back.
So the moment I started
Parents
working,
were quite,
people were like, what are you? I'm like, I'm gonna be a freelance makeup artist. तुम क्या पागल वाली बन गई?
Exactly.
This is true.
Yeah.
Correct.
This concept was very much done in Bombay and Delhi. I was aware about the fact that I'm going to be freelancer, but my in-laws and I were like, तुम क्या पागल वाली बनोगी? Which is again, I don't think it's derogatory, but understand
The mindset. Yeah.
अगर मुझे किसी और ने पहले बोला था तो मैं 9 साल से कमा रही हूँ, मैं बहुत कमा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
But this tagline parlor wali is a whole different concept than a freelancer makeup
So we all need a
artist,
freelancer now for getting us
So that's what
ready.
skills
That's our skill. And now you see skill.
That's
That's
it.
a limit. So that's
I'm
how.
selling, in freelance photography, freelance this, freelance. I feel very happy, because now they've been encouraged.
Yeah.
Years
Even the
back,
freelancer photographers, freelancer makeup
They all
artists are
have those
earning
skills.
more than
who's trying to
engineers and
achieve
doctors.
their
Yeah,
freelance.
yeah.
And they have their
Like if
own
somebody is not
time.
good at academics,
I'm doing it.
there need to be like freedom, which IB gives, right?
Confidence is very
See, you
important.
either
Whatever you
get
do.
physics,
Correct.
you can be an engineer, you can be a banker, or you could be a doctor. ये 3 थे बस.
Yeah.
If you banker, नीचे because commerce. That's how we
Commerce? Okay.
You weren't good at maths? Like, no, I wasn't. I still can't tell you the balance sheet.
Tally your own balance sheets.
I can never tell you balance sheet.
Thoroughly traditional science. Then I went into TIFR. I did my mini PhD over there in neuroscience. Then I moved to TIS, where I did healthcare. And right now I'm in a traditional corporate, in a traditional program manager
And you're
role.
happy.
I'm very happy. I'm very passionate about what I do, but I still feel that even in traditional roles, the type of training that is offered in an IB curriculum is very useful. Some of the key points in the type of work that I do is the ability to continuously learn and innovate rather than become stagnant in one segment in what you have learned previously. The ability to deal with large volumes of data and make sense of that. Like even from the earliest time, they have data segregation as a subject, which I don't, yes they do, which I don't think is a part of curriculum elsewhere. Being able to deal with data in a way that is very natural, yes, very natural for you is very important. It's a skill of the future, and I think IB offers that. So not just in creative fields or in fields that are, away from the beaten path like yours. I think even within the beaten path, skills that are offered by IB like good writing skills, ability to express yourself, handling data, having empathy, like I work with an
Yeah.
engineer. The way
Yes.
It's very important.
I know it's a
It's
touch
very
I don't
important.
want to ask.
Being moved by your fellow humans suffering,
Yes.
cognizant of the environment that is around you. I think that is
I think it's
the
more like, being
cause
sure
of the
about
future.
oneself. And we are sure as kids, and they're so sure. I know it's the generation also, it's us also.
But we were not
school
aware
helps.
about
See,
it.
I'm teaching my child to be strong, and then tell कि नहीं नहीं अभी तुम book पे देख के पढ़ाई करो. No, but you're not what is it? Yeah. Like, no, say. I remember Kabi telling you that when I cry, my heart becomes Halka man. Yeah, she told her. कि मैं मम्मा कहती है रोने से हार्ट हल्का होता है
Yeah.
and then she
let them cry.
Because you accepted the things.
Yes.
Like, हाँ.
Whenever a child cries ना मुझे देखा है जो parents होते हैं ना वो थोड़ा पैनिक कि क्यों रो रहा है. See, we also cry at this stage. तो वो तो छोटे ही, they are still understanding, they are still developing all those emotions and everything. So it's okay, let them cry.
I taught her this, that you cry.
Yeah.
And then you support her, I need to roll it. You cry, it's okay. You feel happy when you come back, and then she actually cried.
And I asked her, now are you feeling?
She's like hurt and seen.
I'm healthy now.
Yes.
Oh my god. Because she comes in, so the thing is, this good boy, bad boy concept कि ये नहीं कर रहा तो good boy, ये नहीं कर रहा तो bad boy. Okay, this school has never done it, which is very good.
Yeah.
I noticed the little details. You know, my child
Yes.
never come and tell me कि मैम ने ये बोला कि अभी ये नहीं कर रहा तो good boy, bad boy, and it bothers her a lot.
Yes.
Because you have, I tell you, you have to be a kind person more than good or bad. Correct?
Yeah.
Because something is good for me, could be bad for you.
Bad situation.
Definition of bad.
Situation
It's
varies.
a very rhetorical thing to, you know. But I feel like I've never in this, 2 years of her studying in this school has just like, Mama, ye bad hai, good hai, ma'am bolti hai. No, I mean, it's so nice and I want this to be continued forever.
Yeah.
She doesn't give this tagline.
Yeah, I don't want
give
this
this
bad.
tagline,
Yeah.
good or bad.
I think IB is not just, a board for education. It's a very beautiful way of raising kind kids.
Yeah.
Overall, I believe like IB focuses more on overall development.
Yes.
Once you
It's
are
not
kind
only
kid,
academic.
I think you cover a lot of things. You could be good. You could be empath. You could be considerate people. If you're kind,
Yes.
if you understand कि emotions nicely within yourself, आप बाहर जाके और express करते हो.
Yes.
आप
Agree.
खुद ही क्या अंदर
How we express ourselves.
Very important.
ऐसा parents को hardly घबरा रहा है. anxiety हो रही है यार. वो आगे therapy.
If you go in depth of the curriculum now, you'll understand why IB is very important for these kids.
Yeah.
The awareness is very less. If you see in Indore,
Correct.
people are
Not at all.
And
they do not understand also about
We
it.
ask this, what is IB?
Yeah.
What this curriculum is?
Yeah.
So I need to explain everybody what is it. Yeah.
Oh sorry. I'm glad that you're It's so expensive,
Yes.
And luckily because there's only one school and it's indoor, it's MP. We are privileged like
Yeah.
that.
Yes, agree.
Yes, yes.
It's 7-8 lakhs per year right now in Bombay for a basic school.
Yes.
This is all बच्चे पढ़ रही है ना?
And in Bangalore,
It's
they are
It's
charging
right.
15.
yeah.
15, yeah.
Guys, I feel like आप भी अपने छोड़ दो
Mumbai,
बच्चे पढ़ाओ.
Ecole fees is 25 lakhs for nursery. Where? Ecole,
Okay.
Mumbai.
Yeah. Like you also if you do research on IB, it's
I think
that expensive.
like having a vastly different fee standard and so on and so forth, it puts this tag of IBs only for the affluent class,
Exactly.
which
No.
I disagree.
Yes, ma'am.
Which I disagree. It's a philosophy, and it is as surely it might be for the affluent class, but it is also for the traditional.
But I feel
Yeah.
like there was a time when I think probably many years later they'll have schools, IB schools that are much more easier to afford because the concept is so new and they I think the IB will
Actually,
locally
this is quite
Yes.
traditional because people doesn't know about it, right?
Yes.
We get
You are-
this
you are-
concept
you
that
are-
it's only for the off-beaten or like the
Yes.
people who don't want to become doctors and engineers. Why do doctors and
I'm
engineers
sorry,
don't need
but
empathy?
mom.
I believe
Yeah.
with doctors, empathy is the most
Yeah.
required quality.
Especially with a person now who doesn't understand IB and they understand other boards, they will like, but what if they want to go into they want to
They'll start debating.
उनको
Yeah.
JEE देना
Start
तो comparative
debating.
देना तो IB में तो उनको बाहर होली ना ऐसे
हाँ.
बाहर जाना है.
How would they give competitive exams? That's the biggest question.
But yeah,
How would they
yeah.
decide and do everything on tab?
And
But actually they don't know. the mugging overall life only happened.
I don't remember the personality, but he said कि this century हम लिखना कहाँ use करें except signing the checkbooks.
Yeah.
I say.
We are completely on gadgets.
On gadgets.
Just the checkbook is very important. We use
So when
pen
you know
and
this is the metaverse, this is the AI, you know, to be according, I don't know, मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं, भले AI है, मैं बच्चा has to पाने तक की
No, but again, here I would digress a little bit. The child is not using iPad. The child is using traditional pen and paper, even in IB.
Yeah, they
balance is very important.
Exactly.
I agree, but even eventually the writing essays and all.
My point is that देखो कि वो हम बच्चे को prepare तो करेंगे,
हाँ,
preparation is very important. कि अभी iPad world छोड़ दोगे तो but my point is कि eventually
It is going
it's
to
the world is that.
Yeah.
AI for you to make sit at home and not do anything because AI is taking
over everything. Yeah.
So you have to make your kids that
We have to prepare them for some job.
For the next 5 years.
Yeah.
Next 10 years.
We have to balance everything. Like
Yeah.
even if this situation comes, then what? And if in this situation, then
Street
how
smart.
they have to
Yeah.
like
That's why street smart.
Correct.
That's
I
what
was
I'm
about to say that.
My child, even if he is not very good in school, not good at school, even if by the time 12th happens, she's like, I don't want to do this. I want to do my own. See, again, it's her journey, not mine.
Yeah.
I can't force her ki nahi. It's her journey. She'll have to make her own mistakes and understand from her own mistakes. So I want her to be capable ki, oh yeah, this is what went wrong, but I will get up and I'll do it. Something, if you are doing everything, you're doing a rotification of things, you're not capable of doing that.
Yeah.
I'll share my experience. I went for my post graduation. I went to UK, and first 3 months was so tough for me. I did my schooling from a central school. It was kind of, I had my social studies also in Hindi.
Yeah.
And I didn't get that much of English speaking atmosphere. And then this mugging thing.
I'm just like,
That only.
yeah.
So when I started and they're giving assignments, I didn't know anything. When you have to read the research papers, they didn't have any books. You have to read research papers, do critical analysis and write your own thing. I didn't know about plagiarism. Our kids know. They know what is plagiarism.
Academic integrity.
So I was at a client and she invited this very I can't take the school's name, Hyderabad, a very known IB school. The principal was the guest, so I took the opportunity to go and talk to her before I enrolled Kavya. So I asked her like how would you say IB is important and different from other boards and all
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
So she was like, for example, Mehak, did you give your English examination? I said, of course I gave English. What was it? I said, yeah, you should give a paragraph. उसमें 3-4 questions थे, 2 mark के 3 mark के, उसी पैरा में answer था. So then IB will give you 1 paragraph, 1 question 40 mark का, and the answer lies on the paragraph, the book you are taught, read to in the class.
Correct.
Now go back. I said, wow. Then second example she gave me is, for example, if there's a topic called recycling. अभी other boards में क्या होता है, recycling topic आपने लिखा, you get marks. Here you talk about it, you make projects over it, you get exhibitions over it, then you make something out of it, and that's how it's a process of learning.
That's a process. I understand. It's a process.
I was sold.
And you have to trust the process.
Exactly.
It's really important.
And
That
she
patience.
said, she said this thing, she said very sad thing, she said कि parents in Hyderabad, because they think that IB is so easy initially, 3 years.
Yeah.
Initially 5 years.
Yes.
Parents hate it.
Under the age of
Parents
6,
hate it.
they are freelancers.
Parents are hating it. So they are like कि नहीं पहले 3-5 साल we put the child in this difficult board.
People start comparing it.
No.
आपके बच्चे को
Put the child in
1 to 100 नहीं आ रहा है लिखना. This is what they ask.
But
She's
imagine-
not writing 1 to 100. This is what they do.
So
They
in
start
Hyderabad, they
comparing.
put the kid in a difficult board first. Then they take the kid out and put an
Okay.
IB board.
Okay.
So now the kid is used to getting the book का rotification.
Yes.
and now
Now the kid is
it's
clueless कि आपको जो मेरा दिमाग use करना है. And it's a culture. It's a very normal culture in Hyderabad with higher people, like higher classes of people.
Okay. In early years, they are.
Yes, because apparently
opting the
so they're
other
like
route.
boards like CBSE and ICSE, right? So ICSE is a little difficult board than CBSE.
Correct.
So they put
It
the
is.
child in ICSE board कि पहले बच्चा 3 साल अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो बच्चों को मारे क्योंकि easiest better. Then they do that. They take the kid out and I'm the IB board principal, right? They come to me and I tell them that why are you doing this? They're like, no, now I want the kid to be IB board. Now I use that. It's like how can your kid? He wasn't programmed to use his own brain. Now, and we are all about using your own critical thinking, own brain question. तो बोले अब कैसे करेगा बच्चा? But they do it. So imagine a kid who has been taught की book से to learn and everything. Now like अभी दिमाग use करो. How is it child?
No.
Arya is like, she doesn't want to remember, like she doesn't want to do this rote memorization 11 to 20.
Correct.
And Aarti ma'am is now telling me that she's challenging me every day, asking questions.
Wow.
And
Yes.
now teacher has introduced one sentence concept so that she doesn't have to learn what is like why I have to learn 11 to 20. Mostly kids, they know counting before they come to school.
Yeah.
of course.
Yes.
But in
Homeschooling. It is like homeschooling.
they are starting from when they are not even a year.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They start showing them
A for apple, they start running. B for ball, say B for ball, say B for ball. A for apple.
So that was answering I know. I feel like it's more about how your child is able to solve critical problems when you give them toys, how they can arrange it.
face the situation.
Yes,
Plan
main thing.
So there was this very
Main
beautiful concept last year. It's not a box.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I loved
It's a
it. I
lovely
don't know if you remember.
Yes.
So they were supposed to get a box, and it was the concept was it's not a box. What is it? Oh my God, these kids! Somebody said Kabi said it's a post box. I'm like, how do you know what a post box is? This generation of email. Somebody says it's a piggy bank, and it's so beautiful. So I think that should be there in every year. I should do it very often.
See, if we do it for teachers also.
Yeah.
Because if we don't develop that creativity in teachers, how are we going to develop that creativity in students? Because it comes from the teacher only. So one we give activities to teachers also that there's a very zigzag line and you have to just complete that drawing. What is it? So
Yeah.
Open-ended questions.
Open-ended
We will
questions.
start.
Even the last year there was
their
this
own
dot
right.
story.
They have given
Now
us
Yes.
Now you explain what is
National
this?
Bond Day, we said
Yes. So then a child has to understand what is it. Now it's a dot.
Yeah.
But then they would be identifying something else. No, it's
Yeah.
not a dot. It's a circle.
Yes.
Somebody
Yeah.
says something
Each
else.
child will.
Yes,
Yeah.
each child.
But
So
they asked
very,
very should do it very often.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I wanted to do it very. I don't remember this box thing happening again. Like, please do it again. Yeah. I mean, it's very beautiful. Like, that's just the box could be anything. Like, you give them a drawing and then tell them what is it.
And it is applicable for all ages. When I was grade 3 homeroom teacher in our How We Express Ourselves team, I took this activity. It's not a box. So here earlier that being in a 2D thing, but I gave them actually a box. Now you create something out of it. So that's level up. We can do it with all age groups. It's not necessary that
Correct.
once we have done it, so we cannot repeat it because
They will do it
their
their
imagination,
own levels.
they
I
are
love
growing
that
their
activity.
imagination.
And again, the idea that this is, I would say, a bourgeoisie concept or elitist concept that only a certain class of the society can afford this type of thinking. I digress. An engineer also needs to know what can be done from a box.
Yeah.
It's a very good example of a bridge that's gone wrong in Mumbai near Andheri. They were building a bridge from two sides.
It's decades now.
Yes.
Decades now.
They were building it from two sides,
So they
and
want
the
to
two
connect
sides are not matching.
matching.
Yeah.
So sad. Yes. It's like they're trying to float Andheri away.
Yes, and now they have to figure out. Like I'm an engineer who has to figure out how to do
So the
this.
bridge
Become a staircase now.
So then it's funny.
Become the bridge.
Yes,
The
and you have to
Andheri
think out of the
connected,
box,
yeah.
even if you are a very traditional engineer in a government organization. You must figure out how to join these two bridges.
Yeah.
It's a very good bridge. It's a very good bridge, and now this one अलग शुरू करा
The
बनाना.
align- Yes, it doesn't align.
And now people who do Andheri, they're like, how do we come out?
Jantar Mantar it has become.
Same with me, like I told you that I'm in a very traditional role. Even then, when we go to rural India and we screen children from 5th grade up to 9th grade who, in spite of being educated in so far, I would say enrolled, not educated in some of the schools, they are not able to always read. Especially when all standardized eye charts are in English. We will not even realize that they are in English. But all standard eye examination charts, Snellen charts they are called, they are standardized elsewhere, not in India. So they are always in English. Yes. people with spectacles will know. So, when such a problem comes, you must innovate, even if you are in a traditional role. The innovation doesn't stop. So then you change the language, but then who will standardize the charts? Because India is so rooted in kind of adapting technologies that are not elsewhere.
Yes. I think we need
Now-
creators.
Agree.
I just want to create a lot of good creators, you know.
Yes.
Communicators, creators.
And promote
Curiosity,
India.
curious thinkers, that's beautiful.
Like, what is the solution to this problem? The child comes from very interior rural India, and how are you going to test them? Because there are no charts that are available in Indic languages, and I cannot expect that child to know English. That's not a requirement a poor farmer's child needs to have. Yes, so do I sit and teach them?
But they can't even be taught.
No, they are
that
but they know their own mother tongue, right?
Yes.
So even then we need to innovate. Like, what is the solution? Not screening the child is not a solution.
Did you actually work upon this problem?
Yes,
What did you guys do exactly?
There are other different charts that are now available.
The figures?
Yes, there is a key. Yes, there is a cake decoration chart. There is a logma chart. There are e-charts wherein we ask the child which side are the direction of the E. Yes, and the child figures that out. There is a cake decoration chart. Like, there are different decorations, and then they have to tell us. But those decorations need to be clinically correct to be able to identify if the child has spectacles. Yes.
Yeah.
We are also in the
we
are also in the
solution is not taken out is like out of the box.
Because we cannot go too local also, because the clinician needs to be able to read the chart, right? The child is
But the
reading.
fact that, I never realized that, of course, it's in English. Like,
Yes.
it's very
Actually, yes.
obviously, जिनको नहीं आता वो क्या
But
करेगा?
you will just exactly.
Correct. So it's again this concept of a certain board or a certain education being elitist and bourgeois. So you are, separate and separatist. I wouldn't say that IB is that type of a separatist education where it is only for the elite class.
When I talk about Kuhu, I order her something, she does not follow it unless she analyzes that information. She understands the value of it. What is you are ordering me? She analyzes the information. If she understands it, it is fine for me. Then she operates on.
Scientists learn to be leaders, not followers.
Yeah. She understands it. कि मम्मा ने बोल दिया मेरे को follow करना है, क्यों follow करना है? मुझे understand. I need to have thinking. She thinks it.
Questioning power.
Yeah.
And but again, it stems from your family also.
Yeah.
I remember asking my mama and बोले कि do whatever करो.
Yeah.
You encourage them. कि हाँ बाबा, she want to do it, you want to do this, yeah. So again, I think it's a bridge between the school and the parents.
Yeah.
We are there for
It's
school.
more like collaboration.
It's a collaboration.
Home and school.
I just feel like, what I was trying to teach my child is very much the same concept that's happening at IB.
The next kind of IB is they have made the collaboration of home and school.
Yes.
Plus, they have
They
a
are
connection with
inviting.
the
They are
teachers
inviting
also.
family as often as possible.
Yes. Agree.
For the lectures,
On the guest lectures,
it's
grandparents also, they are making a gala event for grandparents. Also, like last year, they
Yeah.
my mother child, they were so happy to see.
Yeah.
My mother
This time again we are planning.
And my mama was
My father was very happy about it.
really sobbing.
Seeing everyone.
We are coming
Okay.
quite often, right? For the cookie activity,
Yes.
sit with coffee or
Yes,
something.
yeah.
It was such a nice event.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, we involved Navya's mom.
Okay.
Yeah, that was
Now,
Navya's
me and
mom.
home activities.
Me and home activities.
You know, Princey, you are absolutely right. IB wants, like, IB believes that it's not an individual task
Correct.
Yeah.
to groom a child. It's a bridge between a parent
And
and a teacher. And that's how we try to invite you all. Please join us.
Yeah.
One of the list we should
Yes.
Yes.
You guys
right.
don't believe that, we are the teachers, we believe that we are maybe the mentors, but we have parents also who could be good mentors
Actually,
to
this
us.
is giving them the
Yes.
environment of love, affection, and emotion also. Like we have the environment of our people around.
Plus the fact, you know, class में बच्चे कम हैं. My child's teacher comes to me and says, "Ma'am, finally your daughter's nanny is here." Now I said, "Yeah, how do you know?" "Ma'am, I know everything. Your child's didi was born this for 5 months. Other didi came in.
Actually.
And it was so wholesome to know that this teacher not just teaches my child, knows what my child is talking to her and remembers those points. अभी तो बच्चे 30-40 क्लास में लोगे तो nobody will remember.
How will they get the attention they want? How will they get the attention they want?
And you know, when you go to school, it feels like a family.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's not like we are going to school.
To say this.
It's very strict and we are going to school with God. No, we are like a family. Yeah.
I'm very curious to know how our kids are helping in, your traditional festivals or values.
Actually.
How?
Yeah.
My daughter came in the other day and said hi to me in Korean language. I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
Same with
How is it high in Spanish?
Yes.
She kept on saying to the whole colony.
She told me that I asked her that what are you doing in school? Which attire are you getting?
One more.
She told I want to wear this skirt and everyone is wearing different, so I want to be a different person. And then she knows that French people wear this.
Exactly.
And then they see look everywhere that what things they see and then they look and then they learn.
I wanted to be French. I really wanted to wear this cap, but I have to be Spanish.
Yeah.
So at least I was happy that she is getting the differentiation in her mind. What is she?
And they don't want to look alike. They all want to look different.
Yeah.
They want to see like this. She's like
already wearing red and black. I don't want to go for red and black.
Yes.
She's Spanish,
I want to wear
Their
skirts.
flag, their flag is red and black.
It's France's Independence Day.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, because you won't know what a Bastille is because you were stuck in another board which taught you only your Independence
Yeah.
Day.
Yeah.
So now what do you do? So you go back, you Google and you say, oh, and that way you're also learning with your kid. So when they come home and say hi in Korean or Spanish or whatever, and then they say Happy Bastille's Day, you want to go back and Google ki acha.
Yeah.
As they talk about.
Yeah.
I didn't know, ma'am.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Even I did not know
started
this.
learning.
Yeah.
You made us learn this.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी and it's not a bad thing to be very honest. Like कि अरे बच्चे
Yeah.
बोल रहे तो आपको पढ़ना. You need to learn.
Yes.
It's quite challenging,
Yeah.
but so
You have to
this
learn
is
the
But it is beautiful to learn
such a
with
cheap
them.
creation.
Yeah.
kids.
They are learning every culture. They are
Yes.
Unlearning, you know,
Yes.
what's wrong, you learned, you're unlearning and learning new things.
Yes.
It's so beautiful, you know.
Yeah, for us, right? In
Yeah,
this age.
I love it.
Yeah.
And
I love it too.
So when
We become kids with them actually.
and you know, keep talking about ki which school your kid is in, I'm like, in oh, IB, and like, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
She keep on saying every time. Yeah, do IB.
Like each class in our CI, EY classes, each teacher, like collaboratively we chose like EY1 because they are very small. So we started with our own country, India.
India.
And then EY2, we all chose Norway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Norway.
Yeah.
And then EY3A is Scotland.
Scotland.
Yes.
The last-
and
the last
EY3, they are South Korea.
Yeah.
So now they have a theme how we express.
Yes.
So, as they are already collaborating with Shri Ram Academy, so I just said, like, let them explore Telangana's culture.
Yeah.
At least they should start from the national level.
Yes. Huh.
Global. Yeah, local to global.
In Africa, it's equally important. Like, we have a beautiful country.
Yes,
Yeah.
Telangana's song
Yeah.
and all,
Wow.
their cuisine, their
Even the
dress, song, yes.
Yes, it's
Yes.
related to the south. Yes, the
Yeah, I saw the video like
Chennamma, Chennamma. So, like we were all saying, how we can take local to global. Said local, we are collaborating. So anyhow, the kids will learn about Telangana's culture. So, and how we can take it to global. Like each class is assigned a country, like South Korea, Norway. Or Scotland. So, like we said, let's do stories of those countries.
and the
Yeah.
learning
Tales of those
focused on the
countries.
food. food.
Yes.
You must know what food they are gonna eat and which country shows the food and
And why they have chosen those food? Because of the geographical feature.
Yeah.
So the day I wanted to check the schools, like how the other school is, I remember, I think you were there, there was a teacher, and the kids represented different countries. So we were told that we can just watch them from like a distance apart because I want to understand how the school is. When I wanted to know my child's school.
Okay, okay.
So we were, I think EY 2K Bahar, and you could see the kids. Apparently the theme was Dubai. One can
Yes.
I have goosebumps. So it was so beautiful to watch this 5-year-old talk about Burj Khalifa and this, and you know. So yeah, so there were 7 Emirates, by the way, 7 Emirates. So one was Dubai, and they were telling about what I am famous for. One was Abu Dhabi, and it was so beautiful.
You
I was sold. I was sold. कि मुझे ना ये A B C D A for apple. This is what I want my child.
Yes.
You know, Mehak, since I lived in UAE for 6 years, so whenever, not only EY, when PYP, they have culture exchange program, and if it is China or UAE, because I'm a Chinese graduate.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm a Chinese language graduate.
Wow.
And it's a 4 years.
So
I've
you
done my
speak Mandarin,
honors.
so you
I
Mandarin.
know to write and speak.
Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Wow.
So grade 1. Currently they have country China. So I just write in Chinese, welcome to China. And then I go there and I talk to them, ni hao, ni hao, tachia, tachia. So, you know, although I have done my graduation, it's 20 years back. Okay, but still I'm attached to that language because of this IB. Because it has helped me to connect with the language.
And Mandarin is part of IB curriculum in Bombay and
Mandarin, you know why?
Mandarin is.
Because Mandarin
Not here,
is the
I think.
most spoken language.
I want to cover it all.
Yeah, it's the most spoken language, and that's how, like, IB is very much flourishing in China. Very much. And you know, like, and regarding UAE, since I live there and in Saudi Arabia, so international mindedness is very much, given importance in IB.
Yeah.
It connects. The language is the only way how we can connect with each one with other countries.
Yes.
And our earliest stories, rhymes, songs,
Yes.
that's how we can connect. So, I was wondering how our Indian values, how they reflect at home, how they do.
They are reflecting.
Yeah,
really?
They understand.
They are great inquirers.
Yeah.
She knows everything. She said, I'll be wearing this hat everywhere in the colony. I said, no, Rahman, no, I have become a French. Because I celebrated Bastille Day.
Okay.
So I have become a French girl now.
Okay, I also, I want how Indian core values is rooted in IB,
So as a festival come, no, they know we have to wear a traditional, we need to get ready, we need to pray. So they understand the value.
They know the stories.
Yes, behind that. They are very interested, they are very curious about it.
School already a day or
Yeah.
right?
We make it
on the
compulsory
festival.
circle type, we do that.
Diwali में पूरा
हाँ.
Explain.
हम पूजा कब करेंगे, दीपक कब लगाएंगे, they ask it, why we are celebrating it, हम लोग कब जाएंगे मंदिर, सबसे मिलने कब, so they are very curious and why it is. The questions I see, yeah.
This Ganpati festival, they dressed as Shankar and Parvati.
I think the best part of IB is they invite each and every family member as often as possible.
Yes.
Often as possible.
Very important.
Exactly. This is giving the
When we
importance
were
of
kids,
love.
now
and
parents are not
affection.
even aware what is happening in school. But
Correct.
now, we have standards and practices which IB has given us. One of the practice which is very important, we have to follow it, parental involvement. If parents are involved
This
in their
collaboration
journey,
is the best part, I would say.
the growth will be
Really. Because they are learning every culture from individual families, right?
Plus the teachers, how they connect with the parents, same as they connect with
Exactly.
the child. So that is much necessary.
My daughter knows Fortunately, but she knows a lot of the kids, moms and parents, what do they do?
And Kuhu is left-hander, so I told Aarti अपन right hand से लेते हैं. She told I am a left-hander, I should take it with the left. Tell me why right hand. So I was thinking why the right hand. She is capable of using left. So why the right hand? So it question ourselves as a person कि हम तो tradition follow करते आ रहे. What is the reason behind it? So everyone told कि left hand है उसको right hand करो. मैंने कहा why? मैं तो जैसी हूँ वैसी रहूँगी. That is I am. Yeah.
Now you have people as Montessori teaching your child to have brain gym. Where you're supposed to hold both the pens and move in the same pattern. Then you have parents who again don't do researches and don't read about it.
Yes.
लेकिन एक ही हाथ पे और राइट पे ही लेते हैं. ये तो हाथ चलता ही नहीं है. It's not dominant.
No, Kuhu tells मैं तो दोनों हाथ से लिख लेती हूँ. मेरा मन है तो मैं इससे भी लिख लूँगी. So she is very confident about it.
Freelance education. IB is the tagline would be a perfect one. Freelance education.
That's okay. Gradually.
You know, your kids are small, right? My kid, she has passed out DP. Okay, so now, like, she is with me right now. So she asked many questions. Why Rama did this? Why Sita was left?
The inquirer.
You know, and you know, she asked all this to me. I said, no, don't say.
And the
It's
answer,
Sri Ram, don't say.
and the answers, that's what I'm saying. And if the parent will change,
Yeah.
the same will question. See,
You have to Google it actually.
I feel like, so
Yes.
I have a very different view of Ravan from every year Jalana. I feel like it teaches you that no matter how sorry one was, you still burn them every year. I feel like let's stop this, pratha of burning them every
You
year.
know,
Yeah.
they
I get
will
it.
ask
I
you.
get it.
Genius.
He was
Yeah.
a genius.
Yes.
So the 10 बोलते हैं
Yeah.
ना, technically it's a mythological
Yes.
but technically बोलते he was so smart.
Yeah.
He was a genius.
You know, that time has come
He was a
where
genius.
we will say and they will nod their head, it's gone.
Gone.
Yeah.
It's
And
gone.
to be same thoroughly educated as them, you can't
Yeah.
say कि नहीं पुराना में लिखा है कि रावण को बोला था.
They will not agree. They will say, why you didn't ask any time? Why it happened? No, I don't agree, Mom.
Yeah.
Like,
And
you
so
know, now the
The
time has come.
children have started doing this.
Yes.
They have
She
their own
asked
perspective and they should
perspective.
have their own perspective.
Yes.
Yes.
Bilkul. IB actually encourages the kid
Yeah.
to ask what, how, when.
This is
It
what
gives
what
why.
करना.
They have started
Yes.
Such is very important. When you question.
And you know,
They
it's
have
good.
become an inquirer.
So when we
Yeah.
review our curriculum, the central idea, the lines of inquiry, we always use the words which have both the answers, yes or no.
Yes.
Exactly.
Like impact. Impact can be
Impact.
both.
Yes.
Consequences good.
Because
bad.
saying the good or bad सबकी definition.
Yeah.
So it is very important.
Yes, come to
exactly.
an
So they,
solution by themselves.
decision making power they can have it on their own.
That's what you want.
Yes.
The kids should know how to file their taxes
Yes.
when they grow up. Should know how to manage their
And
finances when
they have taken the decision. They
that's not
faces the
because they know.
consequences.
Actually,
They
all the
accept
10
it.
attributes of the IB
Habits.
profile has been taken under.
Yes.
Like, it is considerate.
And that's
Considered.
पार्टी
Yeah.
आप ना बच्चे को फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड नहीं कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So they
You have to put them through. And it's so beautiful
Discourage
कि the बच्चा
parties.
हाँ कि ये thinker है and
He's reflective.
he कभी नहीं
And the
कहता
type
है.
of-
Yeah.
Introduce batches also. So they,
Lovely,
they
yes,
show it
last
to
year.
friends, to parents, to other
This
teachers.
year also, she kept on
Yeah.
taking the badge. I'm a reflective person. See,
You know,
And
everything
even
now.
if I was to IB now while growing up, I would have
Exactly.
hated at my feelings. I'm not kidding, पता है?
You know, here I would like to say about Taisha. Teachers at the end of the day, they are tired. They come and sit together and they share the entire day happenings with us. So once Archana ma'am came and she said, Aparna ma'am, today Zidane, there's a boy Zidane. So Zidane was doing this and that. And I said, Zidane, you shouldn't do that. Then I was observing Taisha, she was noticing Zidane. Ma'am, please help Zidane.
Yes. So she learned this caring quality.
Yes,
Also
yeah.
that now she tells me when she comes home, Mama, Archana ma'am, I hugged her. I told her, ma'am,
Yes.
because I always tell her, you are my life, you are my darling. So she
yeah.
told Archana ma'am, you are my life. She
Yeah.
came and she gave me a star.
Yeah.
So I was like, wow, that's such a nice thing. So then they,
Bye.
yeah, thank you so much. Thank
My
you so
daughter
much.
had her birthday, so a lot of these kids I called na, they all came. You see the bond these girls.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I agree with this.
Yes,
Whenever they get to see all of a sudden, once
Yeah.
Priti and Ramel got to see somewhere, they collided somewhere. They hugged like anyone else.
Yes.
They have a good bond. I know.
They
It's beautiful.
Today only it happened. All way getting down from the van for the practice. So Briti's sister, she was down and waiting for Briti to say hi. So she was asking, ma'am, when Briti is there, when Briti will come. I said, wait for her team. She will come with the team.
Kabi got gifts.
They are loving teamwork.
Yeah.
Triambika drew 3 figures.
Yes.
So, Kabi and one more kid I'm forgetting. I think it was Shania. I think she drew 3, you know. So it was so cute that they made personal cards and I have the pictures and all the way they are together.
They have a good
Man, they
bonding.
stand together. They were eating. Do you want to have Maggie? Do you want to have it? No, yeah. Look at guys. So if I have sorry, you know, I forgot.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I have an importance.
Yes,
I have importance.
yeah.
They're not dismissing me.
And you know, I was really thinking how much they take the words seriously also, but at the same time, when they reflect, I feel, oh my God.
I was wrong.
You know, yes.
If I
She was right.
Mama was a seatbelt. I'm like, okay, fine. But if you have to put a seatbelt to show them, because they go by example.
Yes.
Abhi, you say
Yes.
something,
True.
You do something else, they don't take it.
There was a
They will not.
about traffic signal and everything.
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
taught,
yes,
they
yes.
taught the all the signals.
I did very wrong thing. I broke the signal. Mama, he was cried. I said, I'm so sorry.
Rahmat also said
It was not
Yes.
cool.
Mehak recently Chaitram they conducted, yeah.
Traffic.
Dil Dhadakne.
Yeah.
Dil Dhadakne.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So, you know, we also showed our students that what are the, you know, good things, yeah, traffic signals and all. So that's how they learn. And they reflect in their life.
Yes. Reflection.
No parking and no
Yes.
when it's female, say for example.
If you go to the class, you'll see it's down on the floor.
Yeah.
And they come, they walk, follow
Yeah,
the
and she's
signals.
noticing
Yes.
it everywhere.
Yes.
And while sitting in car, that's her favorite part. See, that's a sign. See, that's a sign.
Practically is the crucial part in IB curriculum. This is
Yeah, and I be
Yes.
giving an environment to think, to act.
So I would like to ask for the listeners, what do you want to say about IB?
Do I?
We as mothers who have their kids in IB vouch for IB.
Yes.
Correct.
Because we know how this board is not just, you know, about raising highly educated kids. It's about, you know, working on their EQ plus their IQ.
And emotional. Yes.
It's raising like a human being.
Yes.
The human quality must be, you know, preserved.
Very
That's what our mission
right.
statement says. IB and
true because they are thinking on a worldwide scale.
Yes.
Their
They are
perception
learning
is
to become
global.
Yeah,
independent. They are
exactly.
learning.
Absolutely.
They have so much creativity that they can do it.
Because eventually they will leave you and
Yes.
have their own journey.
Correct. Correct.
They
They
get
get
a
chance
chance
to
to
choose.
Correct,
Choose to act and to reflect.
And plus we also teach the parents to unlearn what
Yeah.
they learned.
Yes.
Because it's very important to unlearn because still few of the parents they come to me कि दूसरा बच्चा तो ये पढ़ रहा है हमारे यहाँ पे इतना कम
Correct.
है. See, we are working more on skills.
Yes.
We are working
on life skills.
Yes.
He knows food chain. Matlab, he knows food chain in such a beautiful way.
Yeah.
All his classmates were insect and he was tiger and he was explaining me when he came back home.
I have a daughter, she got
Everybody was in
sheets.
shock that he knows food chain in such an early age.
And water cycle also last year water cycle was
Yeah.
introduced to them.
Yes.
She knows the method of evaporation.
Yeah.
That was the biggest thing. My husband was like, she knows water cycle. This is the big thing, huh?
So I did this basic, again, like little things that I pick up on the school. The homework that you guys, the sheets that they give, if the child hasn't done it, there's no, forcing.
Yes.
Forcing it out.
Forcing.
And I remember her teacher telling me कि she told Kavya ये 2 lines करे, third क्यों नहीं करा? She said, ma'am, because 2 lines में evident है मुझे आता है. Like you can see, I know it.
Yeah.
Ma'am didn't completely, ma'am, it's okay. I know she gets tired, but it's okay. Whatever she does, and it's so beautiful. They're not forcing the kid के लिए पूरा करो.
Yeah.
Finishing पूरा खाना when you're full.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know,
Correct.
it's like that. So I remember, so now when she gets homework from school, ma'am को बोलती मैम इतना इतना होती है, okay कोई बात इतना कर लेना. And this is what you need, the nurturing part.
The nurturing. Correct.
Not shaming your child कि हो, see उसने पूरा करा तुम भी पूरा करो. Are you not a good boy or a bad boy? Or it's so beautiful. I feel it's the little parts from it that is clear. See again, it's repetition and all. I get it. It's something kids will learn. It's a school. These little things when you know.
Like we have learned it in such a young age.
Yes.
Like not in such young age.
Yeah.
But they have learned in their early years. At least she knows where are we getting the water from.
While growing up, if she has some employee working under her who hasn't completed a task, she would be like shaming the
Yeah.
Get it? It's a very again learning.
Yes.
When you were young, you learn कि you to shame. हम लोग कभी भी आदत थी वाली खाना finish करो.
Yes.
Good boy की bad boy, but then खाना finish करना is a very bad concept. You have to unlearn that. Finish what how much your stomach wants to eat.
Yes.
You don't want to binge eater. बड़ों की क्या होगी फिर तुम मैं मोटी हो रही हूँ, I don't want to eat. Finish your food and all. That's negative, Now you're unlearning that. Now this thing when my kid was like, हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा homework करना है, it's okay. You know it, right? My kid will affect it in her later years.
Correct.
And it's okay if you couldn't do it. Empath again, And if you couldn't do the work, it's okay. You do it later. Like how the bosses are today. I don't know if you have these news that comes along. People are getting sick and bosses are like, नहीं काम तो करना पड़ेगा.
Even in the days of menstruation, there are few industries like still they have to be on their first and second day also.
You don't know what it is
Correct.
go through the menstruation cycle. Like it's so difficult to function, it's difficult. So this empath behavior I feel like is what I be, inculcating in a child.
Even the kids know, even Taisha knows.
It's
if you are not
always.
well. Yeah, if she knows she's I'm not feeling well. She said, Mama, you rest. It's okay, don't work. It's okay, you just be in your own self and just rest. And then she's telling the whole family, Mama is not well, please don't make her do. Because she's not feeling well. So then they understand. This is how they understand. They have their own thoughts. Ki this is not right, so then she might be not feeling well. So this is how they teach them practically. That's some person is not little thing. So this is called a thinker quality and IB. This is one more key.
Correct.
IB is giving an environment to learn naturally.
Yes.
And we went to Karya for a nature walk and she found a shell.
Yeah, she showed me.
And she brought me a shell and we were walking holding that shell and suddenly, snail
Came out.
Oh,
Yeah,
I have
they
a
did
video of that. And she was so surprised, that
nature is the best.
She kept that shell, she dropped it under the tree. And now every day she's going and watching what is happening.
Yes.
And she's asking me that how snail came out of that
See,
shell.
I think it's not the school, it's not you. The kids are like that. Now it's up to you and the school.
These are Gen Z kids.
No, we're Gen X. We are हमारे Gen X है. Gen Z is the kids working under me. Oh my God. The kids working under me.
Kids are Gen X, like they have the X factor already.
They have it. भर के.
Usually I agree this.
And who recently understood the importance of being healthy. She was not well in the annual function practices. Mama, I want to eat. She was not able to have it, but she had it. Mama, I'm not well. I'm low of energy. Then too. Mama, अब मैं खाना खा लूँगी. And she had it properly. And Mama, मेरे को energy. And she practiced a lot because someone has told that you are not doing well in the dance. And she practiced. She comes home and practice because she felt it that I need to improve on that part.
Better,
I can do it. I need to be healthy for that. So she understood the importance. If I'm not healthy, I'm not. I will not able to do that part. And she has done it. And she.
If we go to hotel now, she asks first, what ingredients does it have?
Oh, she
It's me, madam. She's very conscious.
she is. Ma'am, I must tell you all that Rahmat is so health freak that she is so health freak. Archana ma'am will tell me, Aparna ma'am, she will observe me. Are you taking chia seeds?
Exactly.
Are you taking chia seeds? So Archana ma'am will say, see, I have brought this drink, so I'm drinking.
Archana ma'am was eating beetroot.
Huh.
So I said, can you share with me, ma'am?
Yes.
I want the red cheeks. Can you share your beetroot slice to me? And she asked. And Archana ma'am shared it with her. She was so happy. I shared my tiffin with Archana ma'am. She was so happy, like.
The way
Now we
kids
understand
take
healthy and junk. We knew later when we got young, like the way you said. But now they knew that what is junk and what is healthy.
Yes, so Kavya, I know these very nice beetroot and meat pastas, lentil pastas. Sometimes I do the sourdough bread and all. So अभी technically junk food में आ जाता है ना, because we don't know what was
Healthier if possible.
हाँ, हम बोलो कोई अनहेल्दी नहीं लाते, तो शिव माँ मैंने काफी मैम को बोलो ये अनहेल्दी है। मैम ने बोला उसको, मैम no, मम्मा मेक श्योर इट्स हेल्दी। मैम बोली कि मम्मा इज सो नाइस, मम्मा यू वेरी नाइस। मैम I love to give her these foods. So pizza also like a very wheat based, everything. See, if you move the maida, it's healthy.
Yeah.
The ma'am doesn't know कि मैं क्या दे रही हूँ। मैम वो भी हेल्दी है यार ये।
Kavya, I want to say what I want to share. While shooting, for the Shri Ram Academy, so we set up the area, some bad guy. Okay, so Kavya ka turn aaya. Kavya, come on, your dialogue. Action, Kavya. So Kavya said, I like the book Tiger Came to Tea.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
She has an accent back.
Yeah.
She has an accent.
Now listen.
I want a TV wala accent.
Yeah.
She has it on her own.
The
Yeah.
tiger, listen, the tiger came to tea. So I said, the tiger came to tea? Is it correct? I started taking.
It came from nowhere.
Yeah, and I never heard this story.
My God.
So I told Mukul, I said, Mukul, say, I never heard of this story. I never heard of this story. So I told Sonu ma'am, check karo. ऐसा कोई story है क्या? Tiger came to tea. And we saw it is there.
Wow.
तो मैंने बोला सोनू ये गलत है बोलेगी.
Mama, you know what? I'm not scared of the stage, and she's not. She's not.
She is very smart.
Mama, I am very brave and confident on the stage.
Oh,
and
she's a-
she will lead like that. And I think again something we discovered a year later. It wasn't there. I think ma'am discovered it. Ma'am, I think you guys probably supported her, but she's very confident.
She's very confident.
And again, see what you see a quality in a child and you nourish it.
Yeah.
Might have been in her. Obviously, I can't see because आपका बच्चा स्कूल में अलग है, घर पे अलग है.
Yeah. Yes, agreed.
Correct. And that's on them. So now I see this, and she didn't tell me she's leading it. So there was this function that happened where they were supposed to be cricketers and whatnot. She was Saina Nehwal.
Oh, the role play of community helpers.
She didn't tell me the end where she's leading. She was she's actually very confidently. All of her repeating after her. Ki, I am the best. I'll try and all that. Thank you. And I'm looking at the video and I feel so proud that this little tiny kid is leading it all.
We'll share that video which we did.
Yes.
You all will feel wow.
Yes. No, it's a great video, and we are going to share of Sri Ram as well.
Sri Ram. Yes.
Yes. So, how are we connecting? How are they, interacting?
Yes.
So grade 2, they made a few Christmas cards and New Year card for Ukraine people. So today only I have received few messages from teachers. They are really emotional. The students are crying there because they received such messages.
Teacher herself also.
Teacher and parents.
She was
were
very
also crying.
emotional.
So they have, see, such small thing, just making cards
Impact on the children. Yeah.
huge impact.
Yes.
Again,
All
she's
small things
excited,
matter.
material things are not important.
Yes.
It's the efforts. It's the little efforts that you make.
Emotions.
And we all have decided that let this function get over. Then on screen we will show Shri Ram Academy.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
video
After
to-
video of
yeah. So no. After that,
Okay.
we'll make them sit together and we'll show. Look, your video we sent there. Now see what they have sent to you.
Exactly.
So they all will
Leave
sit
a great
together.
impact on them.
Yes.
To watch themselves on screen.
And they learn gratitude as well. To
Yes.
thank you for the little things.
Yes.
My sister-in-law gave the gift to Kuhu. Mama, I liked it. Call her again immediately. I will talk to her. She never talks. She's
Little shy,
introvert. She's not a shy person, but intro. Yeah.
Observe. Actually,
But she speaks very bluntly.
but giving the title of introvert,
Huh.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a very negative label to give that.
No, I do not feel that way.
observer.
I do not feel at a negative point, but she is very keen and she is very blunt about everything. I need to talk her immediately. I need to tell her thank you for that.
Wow,
And she
that's
called, and that was very from her own side, the initiative she has taken.
Yeah.
So she talks very, yeah.
whatever you get.
Yeah. So they understand the little human concept to be human, where to show the emotions and where not to.
Yes.
Because she shows emotions on her own way. She speaks less. Yeah. I do not see at the negative sides. So yeah.
No, thing is, no. I feel like when you label a child with somebody on na,
Yes.
they might not change the perception. Say if I've got to my child is standing here, and I say, he's also na introvert, see, the child registers it.
Yeah.
I know
He's
it.
an introvert. If you
I never-
observe it, child knows कि हाँ मतलब मुझे label नहीं दिया गया है, मुझे observant बोला
Because
गया है.
I always-
So when they grow, they might choose to become an extrovert and introvert, up to them. वो है कि जिद्दी बच्चे जिद्दी है,
will be gradually
तो जिद्दी बन जाता है.
So there is this thinking.
I am
They
very
take
happy
it-
with
yeah.
यार labels. मैं मतलब like you know कभी जिद्दी नहीं करो, जिद्दी बच्चे मैं कहा please what say
I always.
Small word matters them a lot. This is such an influential part.
Yeah.
The word becomes so
जिद्दी
influential.
बोला मैं जिद्दी मैं नहीं भाई मैं जिद्दी it's just we should understand what you were trying to say because you know every house is assertive. Yeah, assertive. Yes. Good words, you know, good words.
Good words.
अपने ना
Vocabulary we need to, yeah.
Actually, I think it's giving one more profile to them. They are giving the time to them. What
Yes.
they like, other boards are not getting it.
Yeah.
Kids from other boards are not getting the main thing, the time.
Yes.
Time and the attention that they want.
Okay, friends. The last the last tagline. Do I?
To all listeners.
So
for all
what message do you have for our viewers and listeners?
We will say, let's. 1, 2, 3.
Do I be?